Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I'll show you how you can find on CouponBet an entire list of all phone numbers from every airline currently active in the Philippines. So imagine you have a customer from China Southern Airlines and you want to call China Southern Airlines for a specific question. So how can you do this? Well, with CouponBet it is very easy. First of all, just log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you can click here on the tools, and in the tools you can see here there's a list with a lot of airlines currently active in the Philippines, and what we need is China Southern, so we can type in China, and you can see here the three options or four options we have. In our case we want this one, so we click on this, and once we click on this you can see here all the information from China Southern Airlines. You can see their logo, their information, their IATA code, their landline in the Philippines, and of course you have their office located in Manila. So this is all very useful for your travel agency. And if you're interested in this and you want to get this as well, just go to CouponBet. So you're just going to go to CouponBet here, and on CouponBet you can just sign up right away for an account. What you do is you just fill up the information. Once you fill up and click register, you get an email, confirm the link in the email, and your account is good to go.